Do you know what's it like to make $3.2 million in 90 minutes? I'm gonna show you exactly the person who has done that just about now. Coming right up with it. Everyone, this is Simon from SimonWYHuang, and as you can see in this channel, I teach everything about digital marketing, online presence, whether you're learning about how to do web design, SEO, lead generation, and a lot more. You can find all kinds of tutorial in my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you something really crazy. When that is about someone's name called Russell Brunson. Those who watch my channel and those who are familiar with online marketing, Russell Brunson is a familiar name. For those who don't understand, he is the co-founder of ClickFunnels, which is a sales funnel program. I've made many videos about ClickFunnels, and today's not about that. Today's about his crazy achievement that he has done in Grant Cardone's 10x conference event back in February, where he closed $3.2 million in just 90 minutes. That's insane, right? So I'm gonna actually just walk you through in my computer right now and show you the blog post review that I just wrote, and hopefully after watching this video you can go to the link down in the description and read the blog post yourself. Let's go on to the computer right now. So as you can see here, this is the actually we call it the welcome mat. So you can see here 10x secrets. You've been exclusively invited to join Russell Brunson's 10x Secret Masterclass. And this will reveal the principal process scripts and psychology that he has used to sell over $3 million in just 90 minutes. So obviously, if you like it, you want to grab the tickets, go right ahead, just enter your email address and click that add me to the list. Alright, let's go down and read the blog post I just wrote today. So those who know me, that I'm into SEO, obviously I won't explain too much about what the hell is going on, you know, like how do you make this blog post, etc. I'm not gonna talk about that today. If you want to watch that, you can go into the video with the eye right above. I'll put a link right there and a link in the description if you want. So this is a review talking about what's going on. You know, like I talk about how Russell Brunson was able to make $3 million in 90 minutes. You know, like Grant Cardone himself, who's like super successful. He has Grant Cardone's 10x Academy, 10x everything, and he invited Russell Brunson to his 10x conference last year and the year before. And this year, he's going to be there. There's going to be 32,000 people going to this event. So why are we talking about today's blog post? Well, I'm actually talking about the 10x Secret Masterclass, which he actually revealed everything about what he has done to get to that $3.2 million in 90 minutes. So this is something that he only shared to those who bought the ClickFunnels offer right in February, around February, in Grant Cardone's 10x conference event. But now he actually has decided to release it to the public who follows him in a much cheaper price. I think back in the February time, you had to pay about $2,000 at least. And now you only need to pay to get everything that he has, which I'll explain to you what they are, for very small amount of money. So let's just go through what I'm going to talk about. So in the review video, I'm going to talk about the overview of the 10x Secret Masterclass. What is the 10x Secret Masterclass? Who needs to join the Masterclass? How long is it going to be? And the bonuses that he's offering. And obviously the conclusion. So I'll just briefly go through it. It's going to start November the 8th, which is happening in about 2 days. The cost of it is 197 USD. So Russell Brunson has made it 10 times less expensive. So in the event in February, you have to pay about $2,000 to learn everything that he talked about on how he got $3.2 million. But instead, you can actually just attend. This is a webinar class. When you go in there, when you click on this link, you go into this link, please. Why is it not working? Okay, and then you will see this page here. All you have to do is just fill in your email address. You can see the countdowns: 1 day, 15 hours, 33 minutes. After you've done that, you can click send to Messenger. And then you will go into a checkout, which you just have to pay for the amount. Okay, this is my affiliate link. I do get a little bit of commission from this, so it's a disclaimer. But you know, no additional charge with you. If you do use my link, I will personally give you a bonus, and that bonus is a 1-hour consultation with me. Whether you want to do SEO, brand building, or email marketing, just let me know. You show it that you have used my link with a some sort of proof, you know, and then I'll give you that 1-hour consultation from me, which I normally charge nowadays $300. Yeah. So anyway, let's go on. So in the masterclass, you're gonna learn about sales psychology that he has used, the exact sequence and script that he used, and also like the pays and offer structure. You know, he asks a lot of micro commitments. It's not what he writes, it's how he say it. He'll show you. There's 2 sections in the in the 6 hours. He teaches you how to make a irresistible offer first, which he talks about a lot in Expert Secrets book. I'll leave the link down below as well. Then talk about making the perfect webinar. So you know, you have to create a hook, and then the domino effect that makes people want to buy everything. So the kind of people that needs to join this masterclass, I would say, if you're just starting off your entrepreneurship life, or you've been in business for a while, or you're one of these professional below, you're brick and mortar businesses, you're a blogger, you're affiliate networker, marketing, business consultant, e-commerce website owner, etc. Everybody, as long as you are in business, you need traffic, you need to learn how to convert and learn how to sell. And who better than Russell Brunson to do that? Nobody. So go ahead and click the link to join the webinar cards, which is happening in less than 2 days. How long is it going to be run for? Unfortunately, it's only going to be running between November 8th to November 18th. I think that's what they said. I wrote 20 over here, but I think it's got confirmed to say 18. And this is only limited time offer. So grab your ticket right now. So use the link, grab the ticket. Alright, so next, there's going to be bonuses. Russell Brunson is always about offering bonuses. So let's talk about it. You can see this nice photo over here. The first level is your 10x masterclass, which is when you hit the picture and you go to this link, after you submit your email address, and then you'll go into checkout. That's what you're gonna see. The next one, while you're at checkout, this is the order bump, 10x secret slides. So for $47 additionally that you pay, you are going to get the complete slides that he has used to generate that $3.2 million. The whole presentation and everything, it's all in there. You don't even need to like do the presentation yourself. You just basically copy and paste, obviously modify it using the 47 secret slides. Now on top of that, there's something called 10x closing secrets. Now I remember writing this. Let me just read this very quickly. So Russell Brunson actually interviewed 7 amazing entrepreneurs and their businesses, and then he took 1 hour each to explain how those businesses got to those to like 7, 8, 9 figure, and that's what's inside the 10x closing secrets for $297. Guys, these type of offer is amazing because you cannot get these for less than $10,000. Like, you're actually getting people's brain, digging people's brain for consultation and everything is actually super expensive. And Russell Brunson has gotten that for us, for you, for only $297. Last but not the least, they call it virtual FHAT, Funnel Hackathon. So those who don't understand what Funnel Hackathon is, you basically will get hand-to-hand walkthrough of how to build a sales funnel from Russell Brunson and his team. So only once in a year, and you have to pay about 10 grand that you get to do this by Russell's team. Otherwise, if you want to hire Russell to help you or his team to help you, ready to pay 6 figures. That's how much it is normally. So let's recap. You're gonna get going using the link that I gave you, and you can get the 10x Secret Masterclass for $197. You can do the secret bump for the slides for $47 additionally. And if you want, get the 10x closing secrets for $297 for the virtual funnel hackathon for $497. So if you do the math, 500, 300, so that's 800, plus 200, 1,000, 1,050. I mean, this total worth for 1,050 is that's just easily times out by 10. That's how much you should be paying Russell's team, at least how much per day. But now you can get access to these for less than 2 grand. So don't wait. Those who are building a business, just use my link. Go ahead and click on any of these links. And if you guys were wondering how exactly he did it, here's a YouTube video that he has done it in last February. So if you're still concerned about it, go ahead and watch the video down in the bottom of the blog post. And if you like what I've told you today, feel free to leave me a comment right in my blog post. Leave me a comment down below in the YouTube. So lastly, but not the least, thank you guys for watching this video today. I admire you. I appreciate all of you spending the time with me today. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, notification bell down below, so I can send you new videos every time I make them. And if you like this, hit the like button and share it with your friend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Okay.